Hello guys! So it's Saturday, so we are on the way to Dewan Suara to swim. Yeah, very nice the view. Here a lot of trees. Every Saturday and Sunday, the swimming pool will be open in the morning, 8 to 10 a.m. and then afternoon 4 to 8 p.m. It only Saturday and Sunday open in the morning. The rest of the week, it's closed. Only afternoon, it's open. So here, we are here now in Dewan Suara at the side. So, oh wow. Oh wow, this.
Paintball competition.
What is this?
Paintball.
Oh my god, so nice. Hala.
They're going to be shooting each other with paintball guns. Boom, 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 boom.
Wow, this is nice. Oh, there's an event here.
I think.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's hiding already with a gun.
Yeah, paintball.
Love playing that game.
Very nice, no? So there's event here, like a game. There's always something here in Dewan Suara. This is a very nice place. Many people do their walking, their jogging. That side there, that I'm not sure if you can see. That one there, that building there, it's for what you call this one, basketball. So we're here, there, we're going to enter there to swim. See a lot of cars here. Some do jogging, walking, and maybe some are there at the event.